Assalamualaikum, peace be with you. I am Jamil Hajiza. So today I'm gonna show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So the first thing you do is find white corner and hold that on top. Next what you do is solve the white cross. White cross. Second step is for each piece. The third step is top corner. Solve the top corner. So the fourth step is second layer. Solve the second layer. So it's solved. The fifth step is top yellow cross. Once you solve the second layer, then turn the cube upside down. And then solve the top yellow cross. Counterclockwise, up, down, right, counterclockwise. Do it again. Top yellow cross. The sixth step is for canon. Once you solve the top cross, then try to line up. When you have one line up, then it must be in the back. Then if you have two line up, it must be in the back and the right side. So use the canon moves R, U, R prime, U, R, U2 prime, R prime. So it's for canon. Number 7 step is check. Check all the top corners if it's in the right spot. When you have all a right spot corner, then it must be in the right side. Then use check moves. U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime, L prime. So it's solved. When you solve the all right spot corners, then turn the cube upside down. Then apply the 4 moves. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Move bottom layer on the right side. Do not rotate the cube or you get messed things. Just move the bottom layer on the right side and use 4 moves until it's solved. Up, left, down, right, up, left, down. up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. So it's solved.